I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit kebab full guide. Gather fresh fruit, skewers, and a cutting board, then wash everything before you begin. We'll choose ripe, firm fruits like strawberries, pineapple, grapes, and kiwi, and I will demo safe cutting techniques and attractive stacking. I'll also share tips for balancing flavors, using citrus or honey glaze, and storing kebabs for picnics. Stay tuned for quick serving ideas. Now let's move into cutting and skewering with calm, clear steps you can follow at home. I will show grid, slice, and chunk cuts for common fruits, and demonstrate how to stack pieces to prevent spinning on the skewer. Learn where to position firm fruits like pineapple versus softer berries for stability. I'll also cover simple safety tips for using a paring knife and handling skewers around kids and guests. Quick recommendation time. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. On another note, Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes kitchen cleanup effortless after fruit prep. It's a great little helper for crumbs and sticky drips, and it pairs nicely with quick entertaining. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we'll explore glazes, flavor contrasts, and quick variations to elevate your kebabs. I'll guide you through a honey citrus glaze that brightens fruit, plus a simple chocolate drizzle for dessert kebabs. We will taste test savory sweet combinations like chili and lime, and I will explain how to add garnishes like mint or toasted coconut to boost texture. These tricks make fruit kebabs party-ready without complicated steps or fancy tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.